Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for the upcoming concerts of a particular artist that you are interested in using the Shazam application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then scroll down and tap on the artists function, then select an artist you are interested in, then all you have to do is scrolling down to the upcoming concerts section. As you can see, there are more of them. You can see all of the events by tapping on the icon see all. So now all of the band's concerts are available to you. So you can tap on the one that interests you the most, add to your calendar, view location, and listen to the band's songs right here. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.